In this video, we'll learn how to copy and paste. Say, for example, that you want to copy and paste a chunk of text. Simply take your mouse, highlight the text, right-click on it, and then choose the option that says Copy. Then go where you want to paste the text, right-click, and choose Paste. That will make a copy of the text that you wanted. You can also do this with images. Click on the image you want, right-click, copy, and then go where you want to put it, right-click, and paste. Another way that you can copy and paste is by using keyboard shortcuts. In order to copy, simply highlight what you want, whether it's text or picture, press and hold down the Control button, which is in the bottom left-hand corner of your keyboard, and then, while you're holding down the Control button, press the C button. This will copy whatever you're trying to copy. In order to paste, press and hold down the Control button, and then press the V button. This will paste whatever you're trying to do. So again, highlight, right-click, copy, go where you want to put it, right-click, paste. Or you can use Control-C, Control-V.